Good morning everyone. My name is Charlotte and today I will be sharing with you my findings on an inquiry-based project that was conducted over the past 13 weeks. The project looked at broiler poultry productions and the impact on local semi-rural environments. On average, 40 kilograms of meat is consumed worldwide per person annually. The livestock industry impacts air, water and soil quality simply due to the byproducts and emissions caused by farming. It was discovered that broiler poultry farming in particular has extensive environmental impacts on local surroundings. The research project was focused on three particular environmental sustainability issues. These issues were eutrophic impacts on waterways in semi-rural areas, the CO2 emissions produced by the production of broiler poultry feed, and the impact of poultry feed production on local environments. In order to conduct research, the online search engine Google was used to gather information for this scientific inquiry. Google allows access to a wide range of functions that help to narrow search results, including Google Scholar, YouTube, and the Curtin University database. A general search was conducted on Google and YouTube using keywords such as broiler chicken farming, generating a large number of responses. The online web tool Pinterest was used to curate information gathered on the inquiry topic. Once an interesting page or article was found, it was then pinned to an organized board with a brief description. This allowed for quick access to a number of articles relating to the topic, and it was also helpful to find and reference journal articles. These journal articles answered specific questions that led to the discussions and findings section of this inquiry. According to the Water Pollution Guide 2003, eutrophication is the natural aging of water caused by nutrients, chemicals, and minerals. Accelerated eutrophication can be harmful and is caused by an excessive amount of minerals present in waterways as a result of runoff, generally from farming fertilizers. However, in the case of broiler poultry farming, the chemicals in the manure cause eutrophication to occur to the surrounding waterways. Broiler birds in the first 4 to 6 weeks of life will eat approximately 4 kilograms of feed per bird, resulting in tons of manure and litter. 3.9 kilograms of phosphorus ion is released as eutrophication into waterways as a result of producing the crop to make 1 ton of broiler feed. When discussing broiler poultry manufacture and air pollution, 6,610 kilograms of CO2 is released into the atmosphere as a result of transporting 1 ton of feed from the mill to the farm gate. This is before any chickens arrive and the broiler process begins. Along with CO2 emissions, particulate matter inside broiler sheds can have detrimental effects on the birds themselves in terms of performance, along with health effects on the humans who tend to the birds. This research-based inquiry would suit a Year 4 level class. The Australian curriculum indicates Year 4 students are able to identify living things having life cycles, living things depending on one another and the environment, and that the Earth's surface changes over time as a result of natural processes and human activities. All three of these curriculum components link directly to the inquiry task, however the last one more so. The environmental impacts for broiler farming are changing the Earth's surface. Agriculturalists are responsible for environmental impacts that meat production have on the planet. Broiler poultry farming is already one of the most sustainable types of meat consumption farming, performing better than the cattle and swine along with the egg-laying sectors. Responsible use and disposal of poultry manure is the best way to ensure that broiler poultry farming becomes more sustainable in future years. This will ensure harmful runoff is reduced in surrounding areas and reduces the need for other fertilizers that may be more detrimental for our environment and our health. Thank you.